Welcome. I'm Svea, an EST expert and mentor. I'm not a doctor, nor a licensed medicine professional or practitioner. Please take full responsibility for everything in this tapping session. And with this said, let's proceed to clear some abuse. Although I am abused, I completely and deeply love myself. Although I feel abused, I wholeheartedly love myself. I deeply and fully forgive and accept myself, although I am abused. All this abuse, all this abuse, all this abuse. I choose to let it go now. I can let it go now. I am protected and safe. I clear the anxiety, the hurt, the guilt, the pain and shame. I clear them all from every cell in my body and every fiber of my being. I let them go from my ancestors' history and all the way back through my own past. All is well now. I'm abuse-free. I'm healing. I'm connecting with my inner peace. All is well now. I'm healing. I am abuse-free in being body, mind, soul, and spirit. Thank you for joining me in this tapping session. Please repeat whenever you feel like it. Bless you, and see you soon in another tapping session.